Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're doing a really simple recipe. We're gonna just make some croutons in the air fryer. I'm making them in my Ninja Foodi Grill, which I absolutely love. So let me show you how we're gonna throw these together real quick. I'm gonna start up my air fryer at 390, and while it's preheating, I'm gonna throw all the ingredients together. I really like making homemade bread, but the other day I was in a rush and I didn't give it enough time to rise. And so I ended up with a loaf that was definitely a little bit more dense. It was still tasty and we still ate half the loaf, but we still have quite a bit left. So I love using leftover bread. It's a few days old, maybe not quite as like soft and fluffy as normal. And I love making those into croutons. Sorry, this is getting a little noisy with the air fryer. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this up into little chunks like the size of croutons, and I'll show you what we're gonna put on them. Okay, I'm just finished cutting up the bread, and having a really good sharp serrated knife makes a big difference when you're cutting up bread. So I'll leave a link. There's a link in my blog, but I'll leave one as well in the description down below for a really good bread knife. So anyways, we have these. We're gonna go ahead and just cut them into strips, and then we'll cut these into bite-sized cubes, and we'll do that with the rest. We're gonna go ahead and toss all these croutons, or soon to be croutons, in the bowl. And we're gonna do, I love having like a little sprayer, which I'm almost out of oil. You can see it's only a little bit left. When you're wanting just like a light coat on something, this is great. So I'll link this down below as well. Then you don't get one that's like saturated with oil. They're all just kind of like nice and gently coated with oil. Okay, next we're gonna add a little bit of salt. Very light dusting of pepper. And then, depending on how many croutons you're using, you may need a little more or a little less of the garlic powder. And it can be to taste too. This is a teaspoon of garlic powder, but they'll definitely have a nice little garlic powder kick to them. Add a little bit more salt, and we're good to go. Let's throw these into the air fryer. The croutons came out delicious, and I made myself a really simple little salad to eat some of these delicious croutons with. And here they are. They're just seriously so crunchy. You can hear them. I like to throw them in a Tupperware, and they stay fresh for a few days. And if you find that they're getting just like a little bit like not quite as crispy and crunchy, you can just throw them back in your air fryer for just a short period of time so that they kind of like crisp back up. But anyways, they're so delicious. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my salad. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more videos like this, and I will see you later. Thanks for stopping by.